PSK is back. Where is PSK?
Oh, we are recording?
Yes, we are.
So I'm guessing there's something to eat?
Eat more like a drink. We are making almond milk.
Ooh, yum! We?
Yes.
I'm gonna go shower first, but don't worry, I'll be back during the tasting time.
Aduh,
Okay,
ibu
bye-bye.
dah ni. Your bag.
Right.
Alright. Okay, let's get started. Well, I've got the almonds here. A good amount of it actually. There are 60 seeds here. Oh, they are just simply loaded with nutrition. Good source of energy as well. Okay, here is some sugar. So I've got 5 tablespoons actually here. So I recommend that you only stop till 5. More than that, it's just, sugar. Well, for taste only actually. Alright. The best part, our spices. Love spices. Okay, I've got here these cardamom seeds here from the pot. Okay, and saffron. And well, I'm adding in some turmeric as well. Okay, a little bit will do. Turmeric. Saffron. And cardamom. Now comes the milk here. I've got milk here, full cream, and I'm using 1 whole liter. You can use 500, but then you have to cut everything off. Creamy and tasty. Okay, full cream milk. Well, and then milk contains what? Okay, protein. Yeah, protein to repair body tissues. Okay, then we've got vitamin D. Okay, it helps to actually absorb the calcium. Okay, so and then calcium. Okay, it's for our bones and teeth. Right, so I'm using 1 whole liter because it's not enough. 500 is not enough. Full cream, 1 liter. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we have to remove the skin from the almond first. Alright, we have to remove the skin. So what we're going to do here is, there you go, the almonds are going right into the water, and we're going to heat up the water, right? Not boil. Please avoid boiling. We're going to heat up the water for about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, we're going to heat up for 3 to 4 minutes. Or what you can do is actually you can soak the almonds night before. You can soak the almonds the night before, so next morning if you want to make your almond drink, you can remove it easily. Okay, for me it's like I prefer it this way. Alright, so now we're going to leave it for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes is up. You see, the water is not boiling. Correct? Water is not boiling. Right, I'm gonna off the fire now and cover and leave it for another 20 minutes. Easy to peel, yeah. Okay, 20 minutes is up. Well, here are the almonds, you see, nicely peeled. Okay, it comes out quite easily actually. Okay, now we're going to make the paste, make the almond paste. So I need some milk. Here you go. Alright, the milk came from the 1 liter. Yeah, do not take extra milk. It's from the 1 liter of milk. Okay, so now we're going to blend these two together. Alright, let's blend. Okay, here are the almonds. I'm going to pour in the milk. Okay, when pouring in the milk, make sure the level, right? You see the level of the almonds. So pour the milk till the level of the almond. Okay, it will make a great paste actually. The texture will be just nice as well. Alright, done. Cover. Alright, and now we're going to blend it. Okay, do not blend one go. Okay, that should do. One more. Yeah, blend to slightly coarse. Don't want a smooth texture either, yeah. Well, it's actually nice to have the taste of the almonds in your mouth as well when you drink the almond milk later, yeah. Yeah, looks perfect. Well, what I'm going to do now is take the spoon and just find for any big lumps actually. Yeah, large lumps. Whoops, none. Alright, this is a perfect texture. Yeah, looks good. Oh my god. Nice. We're gonna use this as well. No wastage, please. Alright. Okay, now we have to bring the milk to a boil. Here I'm pouring in the milk into this pot here. Plopping. Okay, I'm going to actually leave half a cup of milk. Oops, half a cup of milk for later use. Okay, half a cup. Little bit more. Here you go. Alright, that should do. Okay, half a cup. So now we're going to on the stove on medium heat. We're going to boil the milk. Well, boiling the milk actually to kill bacteria in it. Okay, now it's coming up to a boil. Here you can see it's coming up to a boil here. Okay, now once it starts to boil, okay, I'm going to lower the heat. Okay, lower the heat and let it simmer for at least 10 minutes. This is to reduce the milk. So once the milk reduces, it actually thickens a bit. Okay, once the liquid part of it evaporates, it will start to thicken slightly. Keep stirring, yeah? Keep stirring it. Keep stirring it. Here you go. Okay, done. Let's put in the paste now. Okay, let's get the paste off this cover now. So aromatic. You know, almond or so commonly known as badam, right, in most parts of the world. It has all these three values. Okay, it smells good, it tastes good, and it's so healthy. Right? It's so healthy. Look at that. Need to remove everything. PSK is out of the bathroom. Okay, 8 minutes is up. Let's see. See, milk has reduced, right?
Yes.
Yeah, milk has reduced. Alright, now we're going to add in the turmeric. Here you go, turmeric. Healthy turmeric.
Ooh, that's just a nice color.
See, turmeric gives out color. If you got fresh turmeric, better option. Alright, now we're going to add in the cardamom.
The smell is just so nice.
Yeah, before can go in, can smell, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Cardamom, now we're going to stir well. Okay, stir well now. Okay, to get the taste all in, the cardamom's flavor in, we have to simmer for another 8 minutes. Alright?
Alright.
Okay, we're going to simmer for 8 minutes. Okay. You're going to semi-cover it. Here you go. And we're going to wait. Okay, 8 minutes is up. Now I'm going to add in the
Sugar.
Okay, for taste, yeah. So not too sweet. 5 tablespoons will do. So if you want to tambah, you want to add on later, okay, you may do so. Okay. Now we're going to stir it, otherwise
it will burn.
The sugar underneath will start to burn, it will start to stick to the pot. Okay, stir it well. Okay, then until it boils. Okay, we're going to boil it more. Alright, it is boiling.
The smell
Yep.
fills up the room so fast.
Yep. Okay, pass me the paste.
Alright, here.
Alright. Now we are adding in the paste, the almond paste. This is the highlight of the main ingredient. Okay, main ingredient of this almond milk. Okay, let's mix it well. Okay, see the milk just now? So I'm going to remove all that is left in here. Pass me the spoon. Here you go,
Alright.
spoon. Okay, we stir it. Pass me the chopstick. I think better with the chopstick, yeah. Wait just a minute,
Alright, here.
Alright. So we're removing all the excess here, all into the pot. Here, PSK.
Alright.
Yeah, on the cover. Alright, now we're going to again mix it well. Can you smell the badam?
Yes, of course.
Okay, hunger is hitting in now. Okay, mix and mix and mix it well. Here, mixing it well. Okay. Nice smell, yeah?
Yes.
Very healthy drink. Here you go. Alright, pass me the. Wait, it's here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now I'm going to add in the saffron here. Look at the saffron. Do you know PSK saffron is one of the most expensive spice in the world?
Oh, really?
Because it is hand picked. They are harvested by using hand. It's like our bunga raya hibiscus. You know the tip of it. So you know, imagine pulling one by one and hundred and thousands of bunga raya
Wow.
hibiscus. So that's why they are very expensive.
It also gives some color, some more color to the milk.
It's not the artificial color. Okay, it's the original color, but it's natural color. Okay, it's give natural color.
Okay.
Alright, looks like we are done, almost done here. Alright, we'll just let it boil a bit more longer, yeah? Okay, now it has come to a boil again. We are done.
Yay!
Okay, but first we will have to let it cool off the fire here. Okay, off the fire now. We're going to let it cool. We are done. We are ready.
Yay!
Oops. Ha! Here you go.
Alright, thank you.
Sedapnya.
The smell, the combination of the smell of the cardamom and almond is just nice. Mwah! Delicious.
Oh, yes, PSK, you are right.
Yes.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
Oops.
Wait a minute. Are we eating or are we drinking because we're using a teaspoon?
We can do both. No worries. Okay, let's drink now.
Alright.
Oh, you just got to make it, try it, taste it. Alright? Don't forget to comment once you have tried.
Yes. Also, please do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel to give us support and also for more future content. Alright, bye-bye.
Take care.